What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all the parts I got from my truck. I got them from Facebook Market. Then I'm going to show you my truck and show you the spots that I didn't like in my truck. That's why I got these parts. So you guys make sure you stay tuned, keep watching, don't forget to subscribe. Let's make this channel grow as much as we can. And also, guys, I am going to include old videos that I recorded when I went and picked up these parts. So you guys stay tuned. All right, enough said. Let me show you. All right, guys, so the parts I did buy for my truck are 2 fenders and 2 doors. So this is why I got the fenders. Got a lot of rust here. See how it moves? You see the inside, I don't know if you can see that. Rotted out. Same thing on this side. You guys can see that. It's all rotted out. And then the door, driver's side door, rust, rotted out. I am gonna buy cap corners for this, even the rockers, so all that's gonna be replaced. Now I'm gonna show you the passenger side. Passenger side's like the same identical problem, rust. Bubbles of rust right here, rotted out right there. And then the door, that one's not too bad, but I'm still gonna replace it. See, the corner's gone, it's rotted out. Cab corner needs to be replaced. That's gonna be replaced. All right, so I'm gonna show you underneath the hood. I don't know if you guys can see right here. It's all rotted out. And also, I'm still looking for radiator support, because this down here where it connects to the fender, it's rotted out. You can see right here where my finger's at. There's a bolt from the radiator support to the fender, but it's not. There's nothing there because it rotted out. So I'm looking for a radiator support. I don't know if I want to get it from LMC or Brothers, but I really want to get an OEM one. So I'm still looking on Facebook Market. Same thing with the passenger side. I don't know if I can show you there, but probably can't show you, but same thing. A lot of rust. So yeah, that's what I'm replacing. All right, so this is still the passenger side. That's the inside on the back towards the cab. See all that rust? So these fenders is going out and get the new ones, and I'll show you here the used but new OEM fenders and doors. All right, guys, check this out. This is the driver's side fender that I got from Facebook Market. Real good condition. All the edges nice and clean, no rust. Inside, same thing. I had them in my basement. Super clean. I bought this one for $25 on Facebook Market. And then this one right here is for the passenger side. Got to remove all the trims. All that stuff will come out. Very solid fender. That one I did pay, I believe it was $55 or $65 for this fender. OEM, all original. I think it was from I believe it was an 86 or 87 Chevy truck. Look at the inside. clean. Got like little surface rust. Same thing on the bottom, little surface rust right there, but nothing compared to my fenders on my truck. These are very solid fenders. So what do you guys think? So that way whoever paints my truck ain't got to worry about patching. It'd be a lot easier for them to work on the body work. I'll get this trim taken off, take that off too, and remove this as well. Alright, so I got that piece of trim off. All I gotta do is remove this adhesive. That's easy. Underneath that trim, solid, no rust. I didn't have to do nothing to the driver's side fender because there's nothing on it. So that's clean. Alright guys, so here are the clips when I went to pick up the doors. Alright guys, so I made it back home. Let's get these doors unloaded and check them out. Alright guys, so this is the passenger side door. I don't know if you guys can see it. It did have, got a dent right here, scratch right there. Maybe you guys can see it from this angle. It's not a big deal. It's better than having a whole bunch of rust. That mirror, I don't care about it. I got the ones on the other truck look better than this, so I'm not worried about this. But no rust at all, rust free. Maybe a little slight surface rust. Look way better than the ones I have. They look pretty good to me. And these are manual windows. Mine's is electric. So I'm going to be swapping out everything from my electric to this manual one. And now let's check out the driver's side door. Alright guys, so this is the driver's side door. All you see right here is just paint that's peeling off. Nothing big. It looks real good. So I can lift it up. You see right there. Real good. Alright, so that's the other side of the door, the inside. Like I said, these manual's gonna come off and I'll have to swap the switches to this one. Alright, so this is the driver's side door on my truck. That looks pretty rough. I'm pretty sure it can get fixed, but it's gonna cost me more money. Alright, so these panels are gonna go to the new doors and see how it goes. I've never done it, so I'm gonna show you guys the passenger side door. This is the passenger side door. It's not as bad as the driver's side, but still got rust in it. That corner's rusted, rotted out. I mean, not too bad, but those doors I got are pretty solid. So I can't wait to swap all this stuff out to the other one. I still got to look for fenders, front fenders, and I might end up getting another bed if I can find them. They're hard to find. Alright guys, so I just want to give you guys a quick update on all the parts that I've gotten from my truck. I'm really happy that these parts are good. So if you guys keep following me, subscribe to my channel, make my channel grow, I'll post more and more content. And like I said, these parts are real good condition. It'll be real easy for whoever's gonna paint my truck. They don't have to be patching anything. It'd be perfect for them to work on it. Alright guys, let's make this channel grow, and I'm out. See you in the next one.